Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Loginaid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a 1-minute story on Instagram. Before we begin, you'll have to first make sure that you have updated your Instagram. If you haven't yet updated your Instagram, this feature will not be available and you will be unable to add a 1-minute long story on Instagram. Now, if you have updated your Instagram, you may proceed and then open your Instagram app. Once you open your Instagram, then you may tap on your story at the top left corner of your screen. Once you're here, then you can choose the video that you want to add to your story. Once you tap on that video, then that video will be selected. To check if you can add your 1-minute long story or not, you can move the trimmer and see if you can post the 1-minute long video or not, since Instagram used to only allow you to add a 15-second story before. Now, once you make sure that you can do this, you can just tap on the done button at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on that, here, you will be able to add your story. You may just tap on the Your Story button at the bottom left corner of your screen right beside the Close Friends button. Once you tap on that, you will have successfully added your 1-minute long story on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.